How to download music from YouTube as an MP3 file on your Android phone using the official YouTube audio library. Let's get started. First, keep in mind that you can't download MP3 files directly from the YouTube app. Instead, open your preferred web browser and go to studio.youtube.com. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. If the browser redirects you to the YouTube app, simply go back to your browser and reload the YouTube Studio page. Once YouTube Studio opens, tap Continue to Studio if you see the option. Since the desktop version may load on your phone, you might need to zoom in and scroll to the left side menu. Next, select the Audio Library section. Here, you'll find a large collection of copyright-free music and sound effects available for creators. You can tap the play button to preview any track before downloading it. When you find the music you want, tap the Download button. The audio file will be saved to your phone's Downloads folder as an MP3 file, ready to use in your videos or other supported projects according to the license terms. And that's it. That's how you can officially download music from YouTube as an MP3 file on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick Android and YouTube tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.